Hi everyone, let's take a look at the following example. Find the antiderivative or the integration of 0 with respect to x. Step 1. Now, if you think about this question carefully, there are several ways of looking at it. And to avoid the paradox of choice, I'm just going to show you one method. So step 1, bring this number 0 in front of the antiderivative or the integration symbol. And you're really thinking about 0 as 0 times 1. So again, 0 is the same as saying 0 times 1. Now, here's the second step. If you think about this, this is going to be the same as 0 times the integration of 1. And again, 1 is the same as x to the power of 0. Now, what happens when you take the antiderivative of x to the power of 0? Again, you're going to look at the exponent. You can add 1 to it. So it's going to be x to the power of 0 plus 1, which is basically 1, divided by the new exponent, which is 1. And don't forget, you're adding a constant. You're looking for infinite many cases and not one case. Now, I'm going to purposely put this in brackets, call the first constant C1, because we will collapse this in a moment, right? And you see how there's a difference here between these two cases. So again, maybe I should put the brackets like this. Let's try again. So now what happens is you have nothing times x, which is nothing, plus C1. And we write it as C1, or I can just keep it as C. So again, C is basically a constant, and it's really an element of real numbers. So it could be any number you like. Now again, how do we know if this makes sense? So again, C, by definition, it's a constant. So all you have to do is go back and double check your work. So in a different color, we're going to spend 60 more seconds and double check to make sure this works. So again, let me switch to a different color for you. Here we go. Let's try this color. You got this. So again, if we double check, what we're trying to do is find the derivative of the answer, and it should give us exactly the question back. Again, be mindful. We're looking for 0 as the answer. And if you let y equal to c. Again, remember, c is a constant. So this could be 5, -2. It could be square root of 7, whatever you like. When you find dy by dx, meaning you're finding the derivative of y with respect to x, the answer is going to be exactly 0, which is what we started with. So again, I hope this makes sense.